Welcome to Pathfinders online training with Hiya Labs, cohort number 3, 2025, day number 2, right? Day's number 2. Where are my coffee comrades? Okay, there we go. All right.
I survived. Bring on Tuesday. Yeah. Woo. Oh, Backstreet Boys in the Walmart parking lot. That's pretty interesting. Okay, so our agenda for today.
Pressing on through mission 7 for those who dare. Heart surprise. And we finished a mission. All right, you guys ready to start into mission 8? Dare we try this? Might it work? Brilliant LEDs are flashing. Left, it's happy. R, it goes sad.
Yeah, what was your project?
My project was go home and rest. But the dog ate my homework.
Gradually slows down. Nice. Completed mission 9. Good job. Good job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Dan Jones. We are all in this together, so please reach out. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome back, everybody. Ready for the final push of the day. I have to do the thumbs up thing for Jerry. I need to see your thumbs. Good. Let's show Jerry what your day was like today. All right. Now you're free to do your reflection, and then you can log off for the day. Have a good evening.